Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by defining the smallest usable feature set and the tech stack. Tell ChatGPT the exact endpoints, data model, and file layout you want. Include example requests and expected JSON responses. Once done, ask for project scaffold with folder names and sample files. Make sure to specify language, package manager, and versions so generated code runs. This first step turns vague ideas into concrete prompts and produces the initial code you will iterate on immediately. Now you implement pieces incrementally. Request one API route, one database migration, or one UI component at a time. Run the code, capture errors or failing test output, and paste that back to ChatGPT for precise fixes. Once a unit works, ask for integration steps and minimal diffs to merge into your repo. Make sure to request explanations of edge cases and complexity so you understand trade-offs. This keeps you in control while accelerating development. To finish, have ChatGPT produce a deployment checklist and CI steps. Include environment variables, secrets handling, and database migrations. Request a Docker file and a simple deploy script for your platform, then run the deploy. If something breaks, paste full logs and the exact command you ran. Ask for prioritized causes and step-by-step fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the error in a minimal repo and share that context so responses target the root.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.